Today we're going to be detailing a car. So the big thing that you can take away from anytime you're going to do a car is pretty much these two attachments right here. So it's going to be our large triangle with clips and our single hole nozzle. That will pretty much do the entire car, but I'll show you how to use all the different attachments within the car itself. All of the attachments do interchange directly at the hose handle. You can also take the extensions and connect them accordingly if you need it. You have a hard to reach area. Obviously with a car, probably not necessary, but they're there. We have the small brushes, again, and the large brushes. Today I'm going to use mostly the large 3-inch nylon brush. Now the key with the brushes when doing a car detail, I recommend never using the brass on any upholstery or anything interior wise. If you just stick with the nylon, the 1-inch or 3-inch, you can pretty much do everything and you won't damage the surface. When you start getting that brass against some of the plastic within the car, maybe the floor mats or headliner, things like that, even the seats, you're going to damage it very quickly. We could use the squeegee for the windows if we like. What I find a lot of people do, a lot of our customers actually like to use a towel with steam and keep it really simple. But this is a good option if you would like. So we'll take this guy, put it together, it just slides on like this. Take these little caps, push them off, and then tighten them up once you slide this on. So we'll put that together. And then one of the things to talk about is the 3-hole nozzle. I've got a lot of detailers that really love this feature and some that don't use it at all. But what happens is the triangle brush is designed to work with that 3-hole nozzle. And internally there's these 3 ports for steam to come out. This brush adjusts about 90 degrees, give or take. And when you adjust it, and we'll show this later in the video, but when you adjust it, it changes the spray pattern. So from direct to a wide spray pattern. It helps when you're cleaning, like let's say up on a dashboard or kind of a tight, hard to reach area. So that's pretty valuable there. And then most of the time, like I said, I'm going to use the single hole nozzle, the 3-inch nylon brush, and that's what we're going to do the vast majority of the car with. One thing that we'll use a lot of when doing like seats, headliners, things like that, we'll take this triangle brush with clips. We'll use it to scrub. It won't damage the material. It'll get some heat to the material. Like in this car, we have cloth interior. I'll note that if you have leather, obviously be very careful, very quickly, very light pressure. And when you have leather, I really recommend that you use some sort of towel or bonnet. We have these terry cloth bonnets that you can purchase. They're washable, reusable. But this is something you can put on as well to help make it smoother. So when you actually do that, it actually will create almost like an extraction process. It's really unique because it gets so hot behind the towel, it will actually absorb the dirt into the pores of the towel rather than you having to wipe it all up. So it makes your mess a little bit less as you're cleaning and really helps penetrate really deeply into the pores of the material. Obviously, detailing a car, you can never have too many microfiber towels. So we'll use this in a couple areas as we steam and make a mess. We'll kind of wipe up and go back to it.